This is the presentation problem that I'm trying to solve. I've got two nodes visible, well three, but node 4 and 4a are copies of each other, at least structurally. So I'll leave 4a open as I traverse node 4 and show you what I'm trying to achieve. So if I start from the presentation node, then go to node 4, the order in which I'm going to traverse them is the standard order, and you can get that by Control Alt and the arrow key, arrow right. So this is the order in which I'm going to display them in the presentation. And this is great. This works till I get to the end of it, and it'll roll to 4a. But I don't want those nodes to be displayed until I actually visit them. And is there a solution? Well, there is. Dimitri said that first of all, you can use the Shift Control Space key and it will do what I want. So first of all, I'm going to fold everything under node 4 using Alt Home, and we'll do that. We're using Control Shift Space. You'll see what happens. You compare with what we see in node 4a, and you'll see the nodes are in fact being displayed. Now when we get here, it's going to go to the next level down and display that node, but at the same time it folded the node above it, and it'll do the same here as well. It's going to go to 4.1.2 and fold everything above it, and that is the problem I'm having. I think it's great in that it traverses the nodes in the right order and that it only shows them once I visited them, but I wanted to be able to control the order in which the top nodes get displayed or folded and unfolded. So I wanted to keep that open. Now the solution that Dimitri gave me is, well, instead of using the space key to go forward, then I could use the arrow key instead. So let's see what happens when I try that. So I'll go back and do an Alt Home, and that folds everything, and now Control Shift Space. Now I've come to an endpoint. If I use the arrow key to try and open up the node that the other method would open, what happens is it jumps tree altogether. In fact, it jumps to the next visible node that's on the same level. So these two are on the same level. Now if that wasn't visible, so I'll close that, and I'm here, the down arrow goes here, not where I want it to go. And if that was closed and I'm here, the down arrow would go here and all the way back up to the first level. So I'm here and I use the down arrow, it goes there. Well, what I want to happen is this. So I'm at the end of that particular sub-branch. Control Shift Space takes me to that, but I want this open. So if I'm here, Control Shift Space keeps that open, Control Shift Space, and now it's closed everything here, and this one as well. So the only way to achieve what I want is the following technique. So I'll close this using Alt Home, use Control Shift Space. Once I get to the end, I do Control Shift Space again. I need to go back up one and then Alt End to open that, then back here again, and again open that up, and the same thing. Wrong one. Okay, I hope that I've described the problem clearly enough. I look forward to any suggested solution. Thanks.